Welcome to Innovation Day 2024, hosted by Learning Point Foundation. A celebration of resilience, innovation, and the incredible potential of our students. On 12th December and 13th, the Learning Point Foundation is proud to present the outstanding projects created by our talented students.
Vagus nerve to the PNS because it has a parasympathetic component like unconscious things.
Our mentor, our guiding light, and our constant support inaugurated Innovation Day, a celebration of our journey and a vision for the future. This moment ignited a day filled with inspiration. These young minds have proven that passion and creativity can thrive in any environment.
In mixing chamber, we will mix all the products and it will be transformed into three energies: gas energy, bio and electricity.
Innovation Day is more than just an exhibition, it's a showcase of innovation, perseverance, and the power of opportunity.
Black hole could fit in our pocket. It can be in biological, psychological, and even environment.
Imagine a city that runs completely on solar power. No pollution, no noise, just cleaner city.
Wind turbines, it converts the wind energy to mechanical and electrical energy. The motor will generate electricity.
It is powered by traditional electric car and land.
With determination and vision, our students have embraced the chance to explore, create, and innovate. Their projects are not just about science, they represent a commitment to making a meaningful difference in the world. Behind every project, there's a community of mentors, teachers, and supporters who have encouraged and guided these students every step of the way, helping them turn their ideas into reality.
I'm Ashwari Yasmin and I'm honored to be a trainer at Learning Point. Today we have organized an intra-educational carnival which was organized exclusively for the Madrasa students and the dropout students, which had given a unique platform for them to showcase their talents and skills. The carnival aimed to foster the Madrasa students. It featured a range of exciting events and activities promoting a healthy competition between each other and the team.
Networking is a process of connection between two or more devices.
There are 5 generations of computer: first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation.
स्मॉल ब्रेक मैथ्स का ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट जिसमें हमने नंबर्स को ऐसा अरेंज करना कि पूरे उसमें सेम आंसर आना.
The heart comes to keep.
For example, I am taking my mobile phone here and I am playing a holographic video on it. And it is reflecting to this.
Vikram Sarabhai is the founder of ISRO. The full form of ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Before we used to fill the forms in the paper, but right now technology has changed. We will enter the data in Excel sheet.
It comes come in front of this sensor, it will sense automatically.
What is vagus nerve? We call this nervous system.
One of the most important.
Because it holds all the organs at once, everything. Because from the thorax to brainstem to the intestine, we call it the brain and gut axis. We have it.
Each project is a testament to the power of support, belief, and hard work. Furthermore, we were privileged to have Dr. Tabassum Hamid and Mr. Iqbal who graciously led the prize distribution ceremony recognizing the exceptional achievements of our students. Their encouragement is a powerful reminder that with the right support, we can all achieve our dreams. Innovation Day is a celebration not only of scientific discovery but of growth, resilience, and the courage to continue striving for excellence. Together, we celebrate the untapped potential within all of us and the remarkable achievements of these inspiring students. Thank you for being part of Innovation Day 2024.